How to fix Windows Shift and the letter S is not working on Windows 11. So if you're trying to take a screenshot and these keys are not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and open up your Start menu on your computer and then just click on Settings. Now from the left hand side select System and then you'll just need to scroll down to the clipboard. Now from here make sure clipboard history is turned on like you see here, and also clipboard history across your devices, go and switch this on. You can then come back over to System from the left hand side and this time click on Notifications. You'll then need to scroll down until you see the Snipping Tool and make sure notifications are turned on. If it's still not working after applying these steps, you'll need to click on Apps from the left hand side, click on Installed Apps, and then use the search box to type in Snipping Tool, click on the 3 horizontal dots next to this and select Advanced Options. You'll then need to scroll down to Reset and press Repair. And then once this is finished, you can also click on the Reset button and go and press Reset. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So open up the Start menu on your computer. You could then search for Snipping Tool and go and open it from here. Now, if the app is open, you then need to click on the 3 horizontal dots and click Settings. You could then scroll down to where it says Shortcuts and click on Change in Windows Settings. Make sure the sticky keys are turned off like you see here. Also make sure the filter keys are turned off and disabled. And then where it says use the print screen to open screen capture, you also want to turn this on. Now once you've applied all of these steps, you should then be able to go and use the Windows Shift and the letter S. If it's still not working, you can go and open the Snipping Tool from your computer, and then you can take a screenshot directly from the tool here.